Hello, so we know the standard form of a polynomial in x is a sub n times x to the n, and then plus a sub n minus 1 times x to the n minus 1, and so on, up to plus a sub 1 times x to the 1, so it's times x, and then plus our constant a sub naught, where a sub n here is not equal to 0. So the given polynomial is given as x squared times the cube root of 5, all divided by 7, which might look a little scary here, but realize we're just multiplying on top. So we multiply any way we want. So this is the same thing as cube root of 5 times x squared all over 7, but then we can just pull out the constant, which is x, or the cube root of 5 over 7 is just a constant. So therefore, the standard form here, we could write this as the cube root of 5